Yeah, guys, Patrick here, PCTV, Route 66, Cruisin Reunion, Ontario, California. Mario Family Forum in the house. Well, guys, I got a broken stick here at the Route 66 Cruisin Reunion. Oh, don't worry about it. It's all fun and games. Yeah, my gimbal stick broke, so it looks like I'll be running handheld tonight. Oh, guys, look at this. We got the Dirty Six in the house. Oh, beautiful dog there. Nice, 56. Nice bug. Oh, look at this split bumper. Here down the street, full of people here tonight. It's a beautiful evening in Ontario. We've got the Surf City Classics in our IE branch at the grade 8. We've got at least 4 of us up here. 2 of us brought cars. Robert's got the Dirty Six here. Talking with a young gentleman here. We got the world famous Alley Cat in the house.
I paid.
Yes, sir. There he is.
$13,500 for the truck.
Alley Cat. 39 Chevy. Right? 39? 39? Yep. 39 Chevy. World famous Alley Cat. My gimbal is broken, so I am working handheld, so you get to catch my limp. Edgar's in the house. Got a 65 Mustang here. Oh, it's fun. Oh. Richard's here, and he's got his Eldo. He's got some cool Cadillacs. We brought this, I believe it's a 75 Eldorado. And I brought my truck. Frank contends here tonight. Having some brake issues, but I'm still making it. And I got my new grill in it from 1975, vintage grill that I found. And it looks so cool in the light. So we're gonna go over and look at this really badass Camaro. Look at this split bumper. This thing's been worked. It's been tubbed, it's been worked. It's got its music going, but we gotta get underneath the hood here and take a look. See what we got going here.
You don't see freedom cars.
Too bad he's got music. Sick. Give him the house. Very sweet. Love the treatment. Old school one. Check this Camaro. No gimbal, it broke on me. It's done. Beautiful 67 SS. Top-notch car. Cruising has begun. 57 4-door. Bel Air trim. Back to rag top. Sweet. Works off the hook. On the inside of the street here. It's like a Monaco here. Pretty sick. It's a Chrysler. Monaco or New Yorker? There we go. Notch. 65 or 64. Straight out of Canada, baby. Only place you get them. Here we go. 2-wheel drive, K5 in the house. Looking like a 72. Very sick. It is a 72. Super clean. It says 71. Oh yeah, it's a 72 though. Look at that. Nice late model vet. Well, late for the 70s. Nice wagon. Ford. Very sweet. The Country Squire. HB. Dewey Weber. Country Squire. Badass. Nice CJ. Coming in. Got a lot of people cruising through. There we go. Nice Bel Air. That's a 53. Oh, 58 Impala. Convertible. Continental kit. Low and slow. Sweet. Oh, I got that exhaust right up my armpit. Oh, it's nice and warm. That feels so good. World famous Alley Cat. Yeah, buddy. Oh, yeah, I can. I'm breathing it deep. There we go, guys. What's up, bro? There's the brake 10, hanging. That brakes off. Yeah. What transmission is this again? Oh, no kidding. I would have thought this would be like a 6.7 foot bike. That's a little bumper.
The problem with these old heavies is the only thing that'll bolt up to them without an adapter is a
350.
power flight.
Oh, that's right. And that power flight you don't want.
Yeah. So,
That's what this hat is, right?
yeah.
Yeah.
So if you're going to run, you need to run an adapter for a 727 or anything else. So somebody gave me a turbo 350, so I took it. And this way I can run a 700R or a 200 and use the same adapter.
You know, I found out about the 200s. You know, those are 0 horsepower, Rob.
Yeah.
Whereas the 700R4 that I have in the Frankenstein is like 35%.
Yeah.
It's the biggest pig of all. It's worse than a 350. All right, so now that we got through with the outhouse talk, we can get back to shooting again. Out the window here. Hopefully I don't get my camera knocked out of my hand.
We got a furry over here.
What?
A furry.
Oh, we got a furry? I can't. Dude, you don't have enough windshield over your lap.
That's all right.
And I got Jeffrey Epstein in my shot there. There we go. We got a furry.
We got people going the wrong way.
We got the Fabulous Furry Freak Brothers.
Generators.
Right. Ooh, nice G-body.
Yeah.
That's a rare car. I saw that. Oh, and you know what's also going off this weekend? Quarantine Cruise.
Yeah.
I mean, so much stuff is going off this weekend. It's crazy. Look at this 6.4. Yeah, buddy. It's not. Oh, it isn't. Yeah, it is an SS. Gorgeous. I missed my 6.4. Nice Nomad 56 or no 57 Nomad. On bags.
I don't have running lights. Like the Hemrod, I can just put the halos on.
Well, this gives you a visual and oral warning. You can smell it and hear it. But that smells like hemi, like a hemi coming up on me. Take it out of the way.
Paper boy, and a dog chases you, they're not attacking you, they're defending their territory. So they'll just bite you and let go, and they're on side.
Well, hydrogen peroxide, they've proven, is actually about the worst thing you can put on a wound.
But it was Bactine when I was a kid.
Yep, but Bactine was it, and also Mercurochrome that turned you red.
Yep.
So it looked like you're already bleeding anyway.
Iodine.
Ooh, that was the one I was trying to think of. Thanks, Pack. It's cruise night. We're in the Dirty 6. Robert's got his FJB flags up. Mixed results, but mostly positive. Like I said, Robert, you put it best. Where were we? Are we better off 4 years ago, or are we better off now? And you know what? Undoubtedly, we were a whole lot better off 4 years ago. We're a joke on the world stage.
Whether you like the guy or not.
And like I said, I can't stand Trump, but I think he was a fitting president.
We were better off.
We were better off. But
That's all that matters.
since I was a teenager, I've never liked the guy. I've always thought he was a jackass. But I voted for him. And I supported him as our president. Even Biden I still refer to as our president, even though I don't support him. He is our president. Nice C10 here.
And everything that you see going on right now
this is that. This is a really rare car. But he's got, I think it's a 67 Catalina top that he's got on there. Wow, that's the second 74 Capri 16 tonight here. And we got a 64 Cadillac right there. And we got a 41 Chevy. And we got a 65 Impala. Standard. And as I've said many times, the side emblems on the Frankenton are 65 Impala and 64 Impala grill emblems. That's funny that the two cars share that one thing, the grill emblems.
Yeah.
That's the 64 and the 65 that is.
Hey, there you go.
You get it?
Yeah.
Nice. Give it up, flag. Spread the love.
We're rolling Route 66, and it is crowded. There's asses to elbows here.
Yeah.
And we've got the 36 uncorked, and we're being fumigated. It's like tear gas up in here.
There's no mosquitoes. No mosquitoes whatsoever.
But she does sound pretty mean with it uncorked.
Oh, absolutely. Are you on Instagram? What are you doing?
I just
just
make
video.
a shot video.
Gotcha.
Yeah, I'll throw it up on Instagram later. I don't do live. I don't have enough followers.
I don't either. I just do live because it's convenient. Okay, it's coming in.
It smells just like Tijuana here. Got the greasy looking over there and you.
She goes, yeah, Trump. You just say, let's go red, you get a free flag from this guy. Look at that, man. Heavy power. This is what we've been breathing all night. Yummy.
Delicious.
So we're going to call this Hemi Vision on PCTV. It's cool, right up my armpit.
Nice.
Oh yeah. It's great. It's wonderful. Look at this high boy here. Fox 31.
That's nice.
Party!
I've never liked that high boy.
No, it's not for me either. I like
gassers. I've never liked gassers.
I like gasser. I do like gasser. There's something about a good gasser. My favorite, of course, is the red one. Oh my God.
Humble 2.
John Hoisington. Humble 2. That's my favorite gasser of all time, and one of my favorite people of all time is John. So there's supposed to be one of those stupid drone shows tonight too.
Oh yeah.
Now they're getting rid of fireworks and they're going to that drone. Man, everybody that says that, you give them a flag. Hey, whoa, stop, get back here. Too late. Yeah, you know, we're not anywhere where we were 4 years ago. We got a frickin' empty socket in the White House versus a dickhead who scared the shit out of everybody and got things done. The first real Teddy Roosevelt we had in the White House in 100 years.